YouTube, listen, about to take my kids to school. Okay, Jared, talk to him. You ready? No? Okay, he's not ready. Tatiana.
Mama's not ready.
Tatiana, are you ready?
I need to get shoes on.
You need to get shoes on.
Yeah, and look for my other boot.
Wow. Looks like the only one that's ready is me.
I'm ready. You
ready? Okay, yeah, you got your shoes on. Hold on, let me see you looking fly, Jared. Hey, you looking fly. Alright, I ain't gonna mess with you. Hurry up, Tatiana, let's go. We're on the move.
Remember the last video that we made and you were driving us to school in this car, and then you said that you were gonna make slime after school?
Yeah.
But that turned out at an epic fail.
Yeah, it was an epic fail.
No, that was a horrible slime.
Yeah. We need to do it again though.
I know. This time you need to listen to me instead of just doing it without making the right slime.
Alright, you guys. What? Love you guys.
You too.
Alright, you guys, the kids are dropped off at school. I'm about to go to work. Hopefully I could get some cuts that's worth showing. You know what I mean? Those nice crispy blends and the nice crispy fades. Hopefully I get some of them. Yesterday, I basically got all OGs. But hey, we gonna get to work. We gonna do what it do. So let's start our day off right. I'm trying to get hype, but it's kind of like, I don't want to, but I'm going to. And it's like, I love what I do, but I just want to take a break, but let's go. Listen, this is crazy. This is crazy. How long you been woofing?
12 weeks.
12 weeks?
Since December 19th.
Right here, this is all about to come off. This is, I already know how you feel. I'm not gonna unrag, but I already know how you feel. This right here.
You might as well. You might as well.
You might as well.
We're in the same boat.
Oh man, you guys, listen. It's coming off. Let's go. Is there a need to comb this or what? Did you already have it combed out?
Yeah, I just combed it.
You just combed it?
Yeah, I just combed it.
Okay, so it ain't gonna about ain't gonna do nothing with me combing it. Oh, I think you missed the spot right here. Either that or my comb.
I couldn't get the crown, man. I ain't had no man.
That's real.
I didn't want to blind do it.
I just hope I ain't overwolfed. That's what I'm hoping right now.
I was thinking the same thing, but then I was like, I shouldn't have, cause I've been laying it down for most of it.
Right.
I think that's how people overwolf. They don't be taking care of it like they're supposed to.
Yeah, that's true. But even when Sir Cruz like Wolf, you know, he did all that.
Yeah, that 6 months.
Yeah, even like certain areas he couldn't lay down, so it didn't come out as good.
It was dope he came up here for the cut.
Yeah.
It's wild. I feel the breeze on my head. I ain't felt that in so long. That is crazy.
How you feeling right now?
I feel the breeze.
How your hair feeling right now?
I feel good. Head feel lighter.
Listen, I can't wait to feel like this. I cannot wait to feel like this right here.
Feeling.
I'm gonna do a 2 right here. All right, so you gotta keep this area longer. You know what I mean?
Right.
To get that crown going. But I'm about to finish this up. I'm gonna be honest, man, I'm lightweight jealous right now. Super jealous right now. Super jealous. He clean. Get beamed. Get beamed. You better hook it up. That's all I'm saying. If I'm out here doing this, come on, man. If I'm out here doing this, get beamed. You gotta hook me up just like this. I want this cut. This is the type of cut I want. Hold on. Hold on. Get beamed. I want this cut too. I want this one too. Yeah. Beam. Yeah. Alright, you guys, so as you know, I'm always getting something in the mail. So let's unbox it and see what I got. Well, what do you know? Shoes. I want to say these are the first Adidas that I got that's not Yeezy. These are the night joggers. You got 3M somewhere on here, like right here, this part right here. The laces is 3M. Comfortable shoe. The boost is black though. Hold on now, the boost is black. That's what I like about them. Got the gum bottom right here. It's like a translucent black at the bottom. But these are clean for everybody that's calling me a hype beast. You know what I mean? Hype beasts don't get these. I'm about to take the time to try them on right now, at least one pair, just to see how comfortable they are. Oh man, I got the paper in here still. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these shoelaces. Tony D with the review.
It's your boy Tony D2 Wild. Pass.
Yeah, you ready to get your haircut or what?
Nope.
No?
Tatiana. I know.
Tatiana, is he ready to get his haircut?
Yes. Yes, his hair's way too long. Dad, if he had waves it's short like it, y'all. Dad, if he had waves like you and he pulled it back, he would have so long hair.
Yeah, you ready for the waves or what? You ready for the waves? All right. We'll get on to the haircut.
Daddy.
What's up?
Yeah, kitty turn.
Okay, let's turn it. Talk to him. What are you trying to say here?
Daddy, the cream is not a
Okay. Are you ready for the haircut?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Jared, listen, you clean right now when it comes to the taper. That taper, everything is clean right now. But you is hurting for a lineup, man.
Are you done now?
He's hurting for a lineup. You need that lineup action or what? Talk to me. You want that lineup action?
No. No.
It's over.
No.
Do what?
First you ring it. Ring this little bell.
Okay.
Now you have awakened her. Now blow her. You must stop her hair. Now
I
slap
messed up her hair?
Now slap her.
Slap her. That's what we doing now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You killed her. She's dead now. You killed her.
Check it out, everybody. Listen, We got Jalen in the building. He killing them. What's under this rag right now? Y'all don't think y'all ready. Y'all not ready what's underneath this rag, all right? How long you been waving?
A year.
A year? This is a year's worth of progress. This is a year's worth of work. Let me unrag it for you guys. Let me do this unragging. Now, see, I'm saying though, some of you grown men out there, and he out spinning y'all. He 12 years old. Come on now. Some of y'all, this is motivation. Step y'all game up. We're gonna get into the cut. Let's go. It's looking good so far. Get beam once again. I need this. I need this. Get beam. Come on now. I need this cut. I need one of these. Okay? One of these. Beam. You got me or what? You got me? I'm desperate. Let me see. Let me take off my hat. I'm desperate. I'm desperate at this point. Look at my line. Look at his line. Come on, look at us. Look at us. I'm desperate. I'm desperate at this point. Get beamed. Hook me up.